This quick guide will show you how to connect DEBIX Model A to the internet with its 4G expansion board. First, let's connect the DEBIX Model A and 4G expansion board together. Use the FPC cable to bridge the mini PCIe ports between two boards. Next, install the 4G module on the expansion board. Secure the module in place using the provided screws. Then, insert the micro SIM card. Attach the antenna to the 4G board. Connect the 5V power supply to the DEBIX Model A and power it on. Switch to the device tree of the 4G expansion board. Open a terminal window, type ifconfig and press enter to view network interfaces. Look for the PPP0 interface and note its IP address, indicating a successful 4G connection. Use the ping command to test connectivity. If you see successful responses like these, you're online. Enjoy the freedom of wireless connectivity. Tap that subscribe button for future tutorials and tips.